I'm Mark-Angel T. Lamok. The title of the research that I feature is The Influence of Cartoon Program on Vocabulary Building, a case study of a child. It contains a 4 statement of the problem, and for the significance, it helps in parents, language teachers, and future researchers. It focuses on 6 years old child in situ embargo. For the methodology, it used qualitative case study design. It focused on one child as the main participant. For research local, conducted in situ embargo Bintakay, Mugpog, Marinduque, to present and interpret the gathered data, to analyze the vocabulary acquisition, frequency of use, and comprehension level of the child. Here is the results and discussion. In the graph, the word acquired by the child increased. For the interpretation, the child retained most vocabulary through repeated exposure in Peppa Pig. Comprehensive level. The child correctly understood 13 out of 15 words, almost 80% comprehension rate. So in summary of key findings, the child learned 15 new vocabulary words from Peppa Pig over 4 weeks. For the conclusion, cartoons can effectively support vocabulary building among children.